Hi there, it's Jonas again. Today's Friday, February 11th, and I'm about to go to Canadian Tire. I'm going to show you where I buy my car wash soap. So let's go. Well, here I am, the Canadian parking lot, Canadian Tire parking lot, that is. I don't know if you can see my building from here. Sorry. So I'm gonna go into Canadian Tire right now. There it is. So I'm gonna buy my car wash soap from. So let's go. You brush your teeth today? A car. It's expensive. See, they got a Porsche GT. It's a bit too expensive, no? $9 expensive. What they got here? Bentley Continental GT. They have a Range Rover. They have a Corvette. I think this is the new Corvette. It's nice cars. I think it's McLaren. It's $9 expensive, almost $10. I think I'm gonna buy one of these for my store. Another Bentley. They're really nice. What's the brand? You know what? I'm gonna pick one of these up. Camaro. Mustang. That's really cool, huh? The door's open. Only the camera right now. I can't open the door. What else? This one I can't. I don't know what it is. I think it's it looks like the BMW, but it's probably a Toyota, yeah, Toyota BMW car. Wow, really nice. What else? Audi R8. What else? Toyota, BMW. This one is the Bentley. The sign's right there, Bentley. But I already knew it was the Bentley. Another Bentley. What else? BMW i8. The door's open. Porsche GT, GTR, or I think, or GTS. Porsche GTS. I'm gonna take this one. I'm gonna take the Porsche GTS. For $9, it's expensive, you know. Like, the door's open. See, the door's open. Let's take this one. What else we have here? Chrysler. Fuck, I forgot the name of this car. I'm having a senior moment. This is the Viper, right? Is it? Looks like a Viper. What else? A BMW SUV. You see? Viper. I don't know, I'm gonna take one of these. A Porsche. I don't know if I take the Porsche GTR. Anyways, let's go to the it's kind of expensive though. Okay, I'll take the Porsche. This one. It's $9. It's the price of my car wash soap, I think. Oh, here's the car wash stuff. Let's see where. Simonize. McGuire's. I'm gotta find the car wash soap somewhere here. Auto Gleam, leather. This is all stuff for detailing your car, by the way. Interior and exterior of your car. Ba 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 ba. Tire shine, tire foam. What else? McGuire's spray on wax, jet black. Oh, here's the car wash soap. Ceramic car wash soap. 23 bucks for what, 2 liters? Okay, it's kind of expensive. Let's see, from Armor All Extreme Shield ceramic car wash. This has a ceramic is like I wouldn't say it's like wax, but it's a little bit sturdier than wax. That's why it's so expensive, these washes. Foaming wash wax, how much is that? 12 bucks. Simonize, and it already has the nozzle here to connect to your hose. What else? I'm gonna buy cheap soap this time. McGuire's wash and wax at 36 bucks. Wow, holy moly, they've gotten expensive car wash soaps lately. Inflation, bro, inflation. I'll take this one for 10 bucks, 10.99. Chemical Guys, I don't know if you can see that or not. Mr. Pink, this is a very good soap. This is the last soap I bought about a year ago or so, so I'm gonna pick this one up here. Let's take this one, and also the Porsche. I'm gonna take it. Porsche GTR. What else? Let's see here. Ceramic spray wax detailer. Should I buy that? No, I'll leave that. I already have a wax at home. This is what I have at home. I have Mother's pure Brazilian carnal wool wax. I already got that at home, so let's go and pay for this stuff. What else? I'll buy a chamois or something. No, I think I have everything I need to get the job done at home. I'll buy some schmatas here maybe. Yeah, I think I'm gonna pick one of these up for $8.39. Canadian Tire. Simonize. These are microfiber towels. I'm gonna pick one up, and I'm gonna take my my soap. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'm going to pay for these and bring them home.